Alright folks, gather round. Today we're going to talk about the standards and best practices for hanging AC ductwork. This is crucial for ensuring proper installation and maintaining the efficiency of the HVAC system. Let's dive in. The first key point is support spacing. The general guideline is that ducts should be supported at intervals of no more than 4 to 6 feet. This prevents sagging and maintains the structural integrity of the system. Larger ducts may require more frequent supports due to their weight. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for support spacing. These can vary based on the type and material of the duct. Next up is hanger type. There are various hanger types available, such as strap hangers, rod hangers, and clevis hangers. The choice depends on the weight of the duct and the installation requirements. Always ensure that the hangers are securely attached to the building structure. Right? And when it comes to installing hangers, make sure they're level. This helps maintain even weight distribution along the duct and prevents undue stress on specific points. Let's talk about flexible connectors. When you're hanging ducts, using flexible connectors between the duct and the air handling unit or other equipment is crucial. These connectors absorb vibrations and movement, reducing stress on the duct joints and connections. Don't forget about clearance. Leave enough space between the duct and any nearby surfaces to avoid friction and noise issues. You should also consider expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. And speaking of temperature changes, insulation is another aspect to consider. If you're hanging ductwork in a cold environment, insulation helps prevent condensation and maintains energy efficiency. Make sure the hangers are designed to accommodate the added thickness of insulation. Safety is paramount. Always follow local building codes and safety regulations when installing ductwork. Use appropriate personal protective equipment and ensure proper training for the installation team. Lastly, document everything. Keep detailed records of the installation, including support spacing, hanger types, and any deviations from the standard procedures. This documentation can be invaluable for future maintenance and inspections. Alright team, that wraps up our discussion on the standards for hanging AC ductwork. Remember, proper installation not only ensures the system's efficiency but also promotes longevity and safety.